Hey there, future bankers. Today we will dwelling into a crucial topic for government employees, pension scheme. Let's break down the key difference between the Unified Pension Scheme, National Pension Scheme and Old Pension Scheme. The Unified Pension Scheme is a new scheme introduced by the Modi government for central government employees who joined after January 1st, 2024. It offers a guaranteed pension of 50% of your basic salary after 25 years of service. There is also a provision for proportional pensions and assured family pensions. Unlike Unified Pension Scheme, National Pension Scheme is market linked, meaning your pension amount can fluctuate based on market performance. It's a more flexible scheme, but it also comes with some risks. Some government and employees contribute to National Pension Scheme. The old pension scheme is the traditional pension scheme that many older government employees are familiar with. It offers a fixed pension based on your last drawn salary. However, several states are now moving away from old pension scheme and adopting new pension scheme or unified pension scheme. Let's summarize the key differences. Unified pension scheme offers a guaranteed pension. National pension scheme is market linked and old pension scheme is the traditional scheme. Subscribe to our channel for more banking related content and tips. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends.